How to add yourself back into an iMessage group chat. So, if you ever left a conversation or a group chat accidentally, then this video can help you in order to add yourself back into that specific iMessage group chat. So I haven't heard this discussion from the Apple and iPhone community, and it has the same question or issues such as yourself. So if it's accidentally or on purpose, you can still rejoin that particular group chat. So what you can do is that you can ask someone that is still in the group chat to add you back to it. That is because there is not a way to add yourself to a group chat on your own. So, in order to add someone to a group text message on the iMessage, just tap on the group message that you want to add someone to and then tap on the group icons on the top of the chat. You can just tap on the gray arrow icon on the right of the contacts, then tap on add contact and then type the contact that you want added and then tap done. So on this case, just click onto this add contact and then just type the name of that person that you want added back. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.